Hello everybody. On my second video when I started, I showed you did a video about how to cook chicken wing nicely in the rice cooker. Very easy. And but I did reverse, just explained. Today I'm going to make it again. So now I'm going to do from step one. So this is a Chinese leaf you can get from all Chinese supermarket. What I do, I found it's very good. If I put it on the bottom of the rice cooker, and that will stop the chicken wing, the skin of the chicken wing stick on the bottom of the cooker. So now I've got this chicken wing. Very clean cut. And it's from Aldi. I found it's the best at the moment. So I'll put it on the bottom of the rice cooker one by one. Make it closer to the bottom as much as you could, because that will help with the cooking evenly. And now it's very easy. So look, it's all on the bottom, laid nicely. I'm going to put light soy sauce, about 2 big teaspoons. I would say it's I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chicken wings. So about 2 big teaspoons. You found the light soy sauce always go down quicker than the dark one. This is dark ones, and it gives it nice red color and kind of sweet taste. And I would say 1 big teaspoon of dark soy sauce. And then I have to put a little bit of salt in because it all cooked together. Then I'm going to put a little bit oyster sauce in. I'll give it 2 big teaspoons or 1. It makes the meat smell, taste really good, this oyster sauce. I don't know, it's made of oyster. And now got a little bit of white sugar, well, about 1 small spoon. And now it's going to be messy. And I will have to put my gloves on and make it even. And if you need, you could rearrange the position of the chicken wings, but we need the sauce mixed well. And at this stage you can add things in if you feel that something is not quite enough. I don't feel the dark soy sauce is enough at the moment. What I do, I put a little bit more. That's the good things about the gloves. I always keep saying that you can do everything and you wouldn't get mess onto your hand. You see, it's all nice and red now. What I do, I let it settle for half hour, and then I'll put it in the cooker position and press the cook, and it stop automatically after it's done, and there'll be nice chicken wing, hopefully. I'm sure. Okay then, so that's the chicken wings in rice cooker. It's very easy for people who don't have time and want to tasty food. That's perfect. Okay, I'll See you next time. Bye bye.